Dear student, I am taking some questions from your exercise 3.2. Question number 13. If fx is equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1, you have to show fx into fy is equal to fx plus y. Now here fx is cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. It is the matrix and this is the function of x. Now fx is this cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1, and fy will be the function of y, so each x will be replaced by y. So that matrix becomes cos y minus sin y 0, 0, 1, cos x minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. Now multiplying row to column, row of first matrix multiplied with the column of post matrix. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y plus 0. That become cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Similarly, first row will be multiplied correspondingly with the second column of post matrix. That become cos x minus sin cos x sin y minus sin x cos y plus 0. That becomes minus cos x sin y minus sin x cos y. Now row 1 will be multiplied correspondingly with column 3. That will become cos x into 0 plus minus sin x into 0 plus 0 into 0 into 0. So that becomes totally 0. Similarly, the second row of pre-matrix will be multiplied the first column of post matrix. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y plus 0. That will become sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and now second row will be multiplied with the second column of post matrix. That will give you minus sin x sin y minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y plus 0. That is minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. Now second row will be multiplied with third column, sin x into 0 plus cos x into 0 plus 0 into 1, that is totally 0. This is the element. Now third row will be multiplied with first column, 0 into cos y plus 0 into sin y plus 1 into 0, that is totally 0. And third row will multiply with second column, 0 into minus sin y plus 0 into cos y plus 1 into 0, that is again 0. Now third row is multiplied with third column. This will be 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0 plus 1, that is 1. Now this is the matrix containing such elements. Now using trigonometric formulas, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, that is cos x plus y. Minus taking common, cos x sin y plus sin x cos y, that is equal to minus sin x plus y, and third one is 0. Similarly, second row sin x plus y, second row second column element cos x plus y 0 and 0 0 1. Now see here variable x is replaced by x plus y, so this is equal to f function f x plus y. So this is RHS. Now come to question number 17 of this exercise, that is, if A is equal to matrix containing 3 minus 2 4 minus 2 and I is the matrix 1 0 0 1 identity matrix, find K so that A square is equal to Ka minus 2i. Firstly we find A square, that is A into A, so we multiply both the matrices, we get A square is 1 minus 2 4 minus 4. Now given A square is equal to Ka minus 2i, so A square 1 minus 2 4 minus 2 is equal to K into A. A is 3 minus 2 4 minus 2 matrix minus 2 into 1 0 0 1. Now solving 1 minus 2 4 minus 2 is equal to matrix containing 3 K minus 2 K minus 0 4 K minus 0 minus 2 K minus 0. Now equating the corresponding terms of both equal matrices, here 1 is equal to 3K minus 2, that will give you 3K is equal to 3, so that is K is equal to 1. It is the solution. Now there is question number 18, if A is equal to 0 minus 10x by 2 10x by 2 0 and identity matrix 1 0 0 1, we have to prove I plus A is equal to I minus A bracket cos x sin x cos x matrix. Firstly we have to find I plus A, adding corresponding elements we get 1 minus 10x by 2 and 1. Similarly our right hand side, I minus A becomes 1 10x by 2 minus 10x by 2 0 into cos x minus sin x cos x. Now we multiply by the rule row column operation. First row will multiply first column, we get first row first column element. First row will multiply with second column, we get first row second column element. Second row multiplies with first column, we get second row first column element. Second row multiplies with second column, we get second row second column element. Now all these multiplication we get a matrix containing cos x plus sin x tan x by 2 minus sin x plus cos x tan x by 2 minus cos x tan x by 2 plus sin x tan x by 2 plus cos x. Now use the formula from trigonometry. Cos x in half angles it is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2, and sin x is equal to 2 tan x upon 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. Putting these values and solving, we get this value is equal to 1 minus tan x by 2 1, and this is right hand side. So it is verified. Now there is a question 19 from your textbook of this exercise. You have two type of bonds with different interest rate invested. Let we say bonds are X and 30,000 minus X with 5% and 7% per annum respectively. Now we know that PRT, I interest is equal to PRT. Here T is time, that is 1 year. So interest is equal to P into R. Now P means here we frame bond matrix 1 cross 2, and I means interest rate. Interest rate will be the matrix containing 2 cross 1 matrix, because in multiplication the number of columns of pre-matrix must be equal to number of rows of post matrix, and that will give you in test matrix that is be 1 cross 1 order. Now put the values in bond matrix. X 30,000 minus x 5 upon 100 and 7 upon 100, that these are the rates, is equal to interest. Now come to first part, that is x 30,000 minus x 5x 5 upon 100 7 upon 100 is equal to 1800. Now multiplying both using the multiplication rule, you get 5x by 100 plus 30,000 minus x into 7 by 100 is equal to 1800. Thus solving, we get 2100 minus x by 50 is equal to 1800. Minus x by 50 is minus 300. Thus 3x is equal to 15,000. So bonds are 15,000 and 30,000 minus 15,000, that is 15,000. Now that's all. Now you have practice questions. Question number 4, question 6, 7, second part, 8, 10, 12, 15, 16 from your textbook.